All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is my final VAD VAD brick machine invented by Mr. Sergey. However, my first attempt with that did not work because both of these were the same size and I was having some problems to have them interlocked. I don't know if it is because this is not laser cut. Everything is a hand cut. So what I did is I took one of these and reduced the size a bit, and now they fit the interlocked inside of each other. When I was building that, I had a problem with the hole, which I put a mechanism underneath to hold that. So the way that machine works, you put everything there. Let me show you something. If you know, there is a half bricks. There is a half brick that you have to use. What I did, I put it is. You can see it is half of the height of the brick. So when I want to have the half bricks, what I do, I put the cement or the concrete to that size, and then I put it like this. So now when I press everything, I will have half of a brick for everything. So that's one. For the mechanism, you see, now before we can go underneath, when I put the concrete in there, there is a plate. You see these? I use these plates, and I'm going to have more of them and to put underneath, and then after there is another one that stays on the top. All right, so you can compress it. So, and after that, I'll close it, push that, give it just a few turns. We don't have to do it all the way, and then you're good. So let's go underneath. What did I do? That's the rail. This is a round pipe, and that's another one too. So what I did, there are different sizes. One can fit inside of each other, so I use it as a rail. When you push that, let me show you on the top. When you push that, so this can easily come up, and you can pick the brick with the plate and put it down. In a few minutes you will be able to use the plate that is underneath, and when you finish, you do that. So everything here is hand cut. It's not laser cut. It's kind of rough, but it works. So what I did, because it's not laser cut, is that I have an assist. It's underneath. So what I did here is a hydraulic jack. If sometimes, because it's not laser cut, there is a problem, you have that hydraulic jack right here. You give it like a few pumps. It's like an assist. You don't really need that all the time. When it's stuck, you do that, and you can go back to manual. So this is going to be for the weight of the machine. So I will get some dumbbells. I put here and the other side too. Then I have two of these to secure the dumbbells. So when I put the vibrator motor here, when it's vibrating, so the machine doesn't go everywhere. Yeah. So this is a vibrator motor. This is the vibrator motor that I would bolt down there. I already did, and it worked. It's a small one. We don't need a really big vibrator motor for this machine, but it does the work perfectly. So you put, again, let me go through that. You put your concrete inside, and then I'm going to make a rail to feed that, so you don't spend a lot of time doing that. So when you finish, you put this on top, you put another one, then you close it a few turns, then you turn on your vibrator motor like 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, and after that You open that, and then you push your brick up. So this is my VAD machine, and it works perfectly well. And to tell you the truth, I never before took time to operate a brick machine or knowing how to operate one, but I kind of understood the mechanism, how to eject the bricks, and this is working. It's working perfectly well. And I have a project which is a building that I'm going to build. I am going to use this one, and I even have other interlocking bricks that I made some molds for, that I'm doing some experiments with. And I'm hoping that one day, by keep on doing this and making these and designing them, I will be able to make the ones that can be commercially operated. Then maybe it is something for the future. I don't know. It's not ambitious when it comes to that. I just wanted to do it for personal use, and I see that it is working perfectly well, and I can already imagine how I'm going to put them together when it comes to the building. So what I'm doing right now is trying to find ways, unconventional ways to build the houses, having slabs and other stuffs to do that. So thanks, Mr. Sergey, for thinking about this, for inventing this, and it's working. So I'm out.